Hi all, today we are going to see Agile Software Development Lifecycle. Agile Software Development Lifecycle, it has 6 phases: uh, concept, inception, construction or iteration, release, production, retirement. Uh, we will see the each and every phase in the upcoming slides. So, concept is, in terms of agile world, its projects are envisioned and prioritized. Here uh, generally in this space you can select the project, can identify the potential projects and prioritize the potential projects, and then develop the initial vision, consider the project feasibility. So this is the phase of concept. We will call it as iteration -1. So next one is inception. In this phase, the team members are identified and funding in place, initial environments and requirements are discussed. In this phase, we can call it as iteration 0. It's like a warm up. So it is initiate the project. So active stakeholders will be participated, funding and support, and start building the team. So we need to identify the members, team members, initial requirements, envisioning, and initial architectures decided, and set up the environment. These are all the activities involved in the inception. So it call it as iteration 0. So once the real iteration starts, they will call it as construction also. So here the team works to deliver working software based on the iteration requirements and the feedback. So here generally the activities like active stakeholder participation, collaborative development and model storming, test driven design TDD, and confirmatory testing, evaluate the documentation, internally deploy the software. These things will be continuously happen in the iteration phase. So next one is release. So this is these activities involve QA testing, internal and external training, and final system testing, final acceptance testing, documentation, finalize the documentation, pilot test the release, and train the end users, train the production staffs how to handle it, deploy the system, and the final release of the iteration into production. These are the phases actually. So in the production, ongoing support of the software, that is operate and support, release N we can call it as. Operate the system, support the system whatever we delivered, identify the defects and enhancements, and we work on again, go back to that iteration and we work on it. So retirement, this is the last phase. So it is the end of life activities including customer notification and migration. Here remove the final version of the system, data conversion, migrate the users, update the enterprise models. So all these activities will come into this phase. So that's all guys, these are the phases involved in the agile software development model. So thank you for watching.